Hi friends, today we're going to be learning to model teen numbers from abstract to concrete. This Mathcast is intended for kindergarten and it's created by Sierra Dolly. To begin with our vocabulary, our first vocabulary word is a place value chart. This is a place value chart. A place value chart helps us group numbers. Our next vocabulary word is a ones place. Our ones place is in our place value chart. This tells us how many ones are in a number. On the other side is our tens place. This tells us how many tens are in a number. So we have 10 here, and this is a visual of 10 units. Our next vocab word is a tens chart, which is also a tens frame. A tens chart is a chart with 10 boxes where we can fill up to 10 units. Moving on to our number bond. This is a number bond. This shows how many numbers can be broken up into parts and put back together. So for example, my 3 and my 10, I know if I add those together, I get 13. Our next vocab word is a unit cube. Our unit cubes are shown in our place value chart. This is just representing 1 unit cube, and this is representing 10 unit cubes. A unit cube is a cube that is worth just 1 unit that we can use grouping to put them together. Moving on, this leads me to our grouping vocab word. Grouping is putting numbers together to make it easier to count. So instead of having 10 separate units, we group them into 10, and we know that represents 10 units. This leads me to my last vocab word, a number line. A number line is a line that shows the numbers in order. This can help us add or subtract quickly. Moving on to our first activity, we are going to be working with a place value chart. As a reminder, the ones place tells us how many ones are in a number, and the tens place tells us how many tens are in a number. In our first example, we have the number 11. In 11, I know that there is 1 10 and 1 1. In our second example, we have the number 17. We know that in the number 17, we have 1 10 and 7 ones. This shows our unit cubes representing 1 10 and 7 ones. In our next activity, we're going to be using a tens frame. In the number 19, there is 1 10 and 9 ones. So to fill up my 10 frame with 19, I know I'm going to have 1 full 10 frame because there's 1 10, and then I'm going to have 9 ones. This represents 19. In the number 13, we know that 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. So in my 10 frame, I know I'm going to have one full 10 frame since we have 1 10, and I'm going to have 3 ones left over. This represents 13. In our final activity, we're going to be using number bonds. As a reminder, a number bond shows how many numbers can be broken up into parts and put back together. Our first example is 10 plus 4. That's why we have a 4 and a 10 broken up, because we're adding. So we're putting it together. So by using our number line, it can help solve 10 plus 4. If we start at 10 and we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, we get to 14. So I know 10 plus 4 is 14. In our second example, we have 10 plus 8. So 10 and 8 are broken up into two parts, and we're adding them together. So using our number line, if we start at 10 and we go up 8, let's see how much we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 18. So I know 10 plus 8 is 18. This shows us that a number line can help us solve addition equations very quickly. To end our lesson today, we're going to end with an exit ticket. This exit ticket is going to let us know what we learned. Today we learned how to group numbers using a tens chart, and also learn how to solve math equations using number bonds and a place value chart. Thank you for watching my MathCast. My MathCast resources are New York State Common Core Mathematics, Curriculum, Grade Kindergarten, Module 5, Lesson 8. I used September 9th's homework and Pinterest to help. I used September 9th homework to fall back on for the examples, and Pinterest for the pictures. And then the link is for my Lesson 8. MathCast created by Sierra Dolly.